dignitaries. First, I request Nongwei Kapung Madhavi, Head, Department of an invaluable congratulations and organizer for this scholarly.
Ngasi yamna important oiba international conference ama Kamakya Penton College amasung Gosal College Tamulpur Assam anina collaborate tawraga aduga sponsored by different institutions like Peace Study Center and different other organizations asina sponsored tawra yamna maru oiba matam siga chanaba aduga international conference in the Lojay. Matam Khara in a Government of India ki Ministry of State External Affairs Purigeda. In personally first hand the changing of the powers and the USA Kupame. Mayamna Teneriba Dumungai Ukraine ki Watok Aduga Anuba Bangladesh ki Watok Aduga Ngarang Nahan Anuba military na lead tawba Burma ki Janata ki President meeting with Jinping unaba si punamaksi global peace centering sida yamna achauba critical oiba pot amani aigi yumga nangnaba aigi state ka nangnaba da haiba taragadi ngasi ma aikoina thegnariba tangdu laita daba aduga violence ki inot mayam amai khona thegnariba se aikoina isam chamna swagi local issue oina lobudi langani maramdi hujik tongan ba pithribi ki mafam khuding makta peace ki approach asi centering tongnabu honabuga loina na center of power se masi very frequently shifting hanadi aikoina peace se lan laitradi peace ne lorame hujikti lan thoktrabasu peace ase kramaina porakada ge haise magi conflict ki boundary se hamadri khud tha kare ani armed struggle ki insurgency ki aduga encroach upon the territorial boundary is other to ki launarame hujikti masigi peace se karida laage da magi traditional boundary ase shift tore kadai da tore or encroach tore or expand tore kadai tore economic warfare da tore technological warfare da tore aduga loina na critical minerals ta space ta tongan ba ko global politics asida masigi peace asigi achoba thokdang ama leibase masigi seminar asina akhanga hi mayamna magi research field ge pangakpa findings ado knowledge ado sida share torga academicians singna masi khantharaga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ international border ga thangnariba adagi irab laptabida golden triangle gi leiriba tongan ba mafia mayam amagi timber gi ogera drug gi ogera mayam ase masi irai laida akogi local issue nate peace pork taragadi sigi background behind it aduga Indian Ocean the Haigadra Bay of Bengal Haigadra Act is sigi policy Haigadra Punamakse masi shifting of power and plus creating a peace and rule of order asiguba mayam ase porona rogi achuba karagani feedback ama or inspiration ama nasigi seminar sina common people da academicians sinda researchers sinda aduga collaborative different countries da masigi message asi yauragadi peace studies yamna mapung phaba mo ogani haina ina feel tawjai
ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯂꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ
ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ